wow, look at the fireworks. Look at the fireworks. Green flag and we're racing. We're school bus demolition derby training racing. Here we go.
Thank goodness none of these are my bus drivers. Or in my neighborhood picking up kids for the buses.
I swear I've seen that red, white, and blue 66 in my neighborhood picking up kids on Sunday.
Uh-oh, that's not good. Hey, unless he came here to race with them.
As they're going around, it's the 32.
Wonder what the top speed in these buses are.
I don't know. I've watched semi-trucks race one. It's 92, sorry. My mistake. The 92 is Bobby Frisch on the outside. The inside making a run for, we got almost 3 wide. There's a 53 bus out there. The 53, I don't have a name for 53.
Uh-oh. The 18 having problems over here in turns 3 and 4. I don't know if that engine will get going. And he'll dip into the middle. Neitschwager, you said, 18?
18 is Kurt Neitschwager. As the 92 and 14 are going side by side. The 14's Kyle Rush, the Bandit driver. The 92 is Bobby Frisch, another legendary driver here at the Rockford Speedway. Into 3 and 4. Side by side school bus racing. Here we go. Get on the horsepower.
Is it a bad thing that most of these don't have hoods?
At least the front 2 don't, or front 3.
There's a good portion of buses that are hoodless.
Must be a rare commodity once they take them off.
Oh, there's a nice little cutoff move. Looks like the 33 cut off the 66. Over there are the 52. It's tough to read the number from here.
Parents, the 1-800 complaint to your bus driver hotline is not active during the races. Please don't call the Rockford Transportation Department.
And don't ask who your bus driver is when they come and pick you up for school time. They might be one of these drivers.
Oh, wow, look at them. Who wants to ride around in the bus with these drivers? Who feels good about doing that? Make some noise if you want to go for a ride with these bus drivers. I don't think so.
33 is taking the high side fast and furious. Might even be grinding the backside over there in turns 1 and 2. Get some extra speed. The 35 bus having a little smoke coming out of it. Three wide over there in turns 2. Don't know if I want to see my bus go 3 wide on a road, even if it's only a racetrack. A 92 car bus doing a good job of working that outside as we got some buses in trouble in turns 1 and 2. 53 and the 43 exchanging a little yellow paint. Maybe decorating that side of the bus. Adding a different color yellow. As the 33 and the 14 have a little bangaroo going on. 33 looks like it's dragging. That could be its bumper. Hate to get off the bus and using the emergency exit there. We're bumperless. Fireworks beginning to fire continuously in the background, making this bus ride show a little bit more exciting as 2 buses have dipped into the middle. So we're down to 9 crazy drivers.
Who wants to ride on the 83 bus? Oh! Oh, no! Woo!
And that's how you break a bus.
That was ugly.
It was only a matter of time, John, before the buses had a little boom boom. A little restructuring of buses. Maybe we'll get the...
And the checkered flag comes out. Holy cow! Ladies and gentlemen, did you like that race or what? Once again, ladies and gentlemen, if you want to meet and greet your favorite driver, don't leave. Line up by the pits. You can meet and greet your favorite driver.
Pit gates are on the north end of the speedway, just behind the bleachers and just past Dale's Donuts.
92 wins. We'll wait for him to get out to announce them. Wow, I got some debris here. What's it? Yeah. Question, here he is, Bobby Frisch. Oh, Bobby, did you see what happened behind you?
No, I didn't.
That's good. You were watching what was going on in front of you. This is not your first go-around in the bus, is it, Bobby?
No, this is my third race in the bus, I think. First win.
First win in a bus. Are you one of the bus drivers for Rockford Public Schools? No.
No, I'm not.
Okay. He's not a bus driver. All right, once again, everybody, give it up for Bobby Frisch. And that will conclude our Saturday evening program. If you